What's going on, everyone? Adam Neely with Build, Guild, and Refine TV, coming back at you with another episode. So I'm in the process of building a tabletop for our new homeschool room for the kids to use. As many of you know, I've got 6 kids, so 4 of them will be in school at home. 1 of them will be doing like a preschool program at home. Because of all the craziness, we're doing homeschool for all of them. So this reminded me of a question that someone asked me a while ago, which is how do you make pipe clamps? I think it's a pretty self-explanatory process, but I realized where the discrepancy lies, and it's within some of these clamps. This is the pony clamp package. Now this is for a 1/2-inch pipe. This is from Lowe's. So I picked up a 1/2-inch pipe by 10 foot. I'm going to be making 2 5-foot lengths because both ends already come threaded, and we need 1 threaded end for each pipe that we build. Now this is a steel pipe with a coating, so it's a little more expensive. You can get some that's cheaper, but this is just what they had there while I was at Lowe's, so I figured I could always use a couple more pipe clamps. Now there's no description or assembly instructions, and there is one thing that's kind of tricky in here, so let's get to it. Always use eye protection when working with sparks and flying pieces of metal. Alright, so I think this is where the confusion begins for some people. Now you open up this package, which is a pain in the butt to open, of course, as everything that's plastic wrapped is. You know, this is why we work out, right? To open packages. Alright, so you've got 2 pieces. So you've got the threaded end. And that's obviously very clear. You take the threaded end of your pipe, pull off the cover, get rid of it, take your threaded end, slide the collar on first. Well, actually clean out your threads. There's a lot of crap in mine here. You should really actually wipe these out or blow them out, but I'm not going to right now. So you take your thread, pop it on there, thread's on nice and easy, bam. Get it on as tight as you can. If you need to put it in a clamp or a vise, you do that, but you can usually get those on pretty good. Let's see if we can get there. So you can get in there pretty alright. So there's the threaded end. Get that threaded as much as possible. Now, here's the confusing part. Some of the pony clamp packages come with this little ring. Let me see if we can let's get you closer. So some of the clamp parts come with this little collar inside. The collar's usually sitting in there, like that. See the collar? Kind of. The collar's usually right there on that end. But it's not on every package. I'm wondering if that's just for like, I don't know, actually. I don't know what it's for, but it's in there. Get that thing out of there. You don't need that collar. Now the problem is I know other people are trying to get that collar on your 1/2-inch pipe and it's not going to go. and then you're not going to be able to actually utilize this clamping portion the way that it's meant to be used. So you take your clamp and you just get it on there, seat it, work it on, straighten it out, and it goes right on like that, okay? And you're good to go. I mean, you're ready to clamp. It's that easy, but if you get a package that has this little guy in there, you're going to spend an hour trying to get that thing on the pipe like this, and it's not going to go. Now, and if you're successful getting this thing on there, then your clamping part isn't going to function properly. Okay? So now you're good to go, and there is your functioning pipe clamp. Bam. Just like that. Okay? There we go. And you can never have too many of these, I guess, but then again, at the same time, you also don't need that many. So, alright. So start making some pipe clamps. It's kind of exciting to be able to make them in any size you want. I'm going to try the ones from Harbor Freight because I've only ever used these pony clamps. But, there we go. So if you're new to the channel, please subscribe, hit the like button, yada yada, all that stuff. But I'm going to try to put out a new video each week. Now, we're just guys working. We don't do YouTube full-time. We actually work full-time. And that means that we have to fit these videos in throughout the week. And I think that it's pretty important for us to make sure that we're giving you guys something that you want to see. So let us know in the comments section if there's other things that you want to know about. I know I've gotten a lot of inquiries about my workout programs, my diet, what I do to stay in shape while working hard. And I'd love to give you guys as much information as I can. So, I almost whacked my eye with that. That would have been amazing on video. And if I lost an eye. Not really. I already have a brain injury. You guys know that? 3 years ago, I got hit by my Mason body dump truck in a freak accident. The back tailgate broke free, cracked my head open, bruised my brain. I was supposed to be a vegetable. I'm not. Mostly. Thanks for watching.